Hey everyone, welcome back to Sister Codes. I am so excited to share some news with y'all. Firstly, I'm going to be moving to Colorado with Kaylee, and secondly, I got a new job. So I'm going to be starting my new job in about 3 weeks and moving in 2. There is so much to do, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel because I'm going to be filming the whole thing, which is a bit intense and a big undertaking, but I really want to do it to document, the move and everything that goes along with it. So make sure that you subscribe and like this video for more. So Kaylee and I are going to do an entire video on job searching when you have less experience, because I had just over a year of experience when I was job searching. We're going to do a whole video all about, my new job and all that, but I just wanted to kind of talk y'all through the timeline. So basically I submitted my 2 weeks notice on Monday, so I'm going to finish on February 7th, I believe that's correct, and then I'm going to have a 2-week buffer, and then I'm going to start working at my new job on the 21st. In between there, I need to move out to Colorado, so I'm going to be moving first, which I never thought would happen. I always thought it'd be Kaylee moving out first, but Kaylee's looking for houses, and that's a whole process of things going on. My mom's gonna help me move in, and then she's gonna come back here. But yeah, it's gonna be a whole adventure. But I am super excited to film this process and just take y'all along for the journey. I love watching moving vlogs, and I love seeing people set up their apartments and all the different pieces that they pick out for their space, and so I'm really excited to take y'all along for the journey. Okay, so here's my Notion board. I know that sometimes it comes out a bit wavy, like there are, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to stay pretty close on the page. So I have number 1, my most important things. So sign my apartment lease, buy plane tickets, or book a U-Haul, depending on the weather. It's looking more just like I'm gonna buy plane tickets now, and then put in my 2 weeks notice, which I have done, so I can check that one off. But next important, so I basically made like most important, next important, and then there'll probably be another category at some point. I need to purchase renter's insurance. Oh, I just thought of when I need to buy a router and set up Wi-Fi. That's a big thing to do. And then I have different sections. So I need to buy furniture, and then I have this little layout, which Kaylee nicely gave me her Excel spreadsheet from when she moved, and it was super helpful, so I just basically recreated that on Notion. And then I have a whole cleaning section of what I need to get, and then kitchen, pantry essentials, all that good stuff, and then the bathroom as well. So trying to make like a comprehensive list. Obviously this is not everything yet, but I'm just trying to get started so I can think of like what are the most important things that I need to buy right when I get there. It is February 2nd, so we are at T-minus 12 days till the move, which is insane. I haven't been filming the past couple of days because I've been really busy, but I did want to kind of provide an update on how packing is going. So I have started packing my 1 large suitcase. I'm going to have 2 large suitcases, but I'm just going to start with the 1 and see how far I get. And then I've also pre-shipped some things from IKEA, so I'm buying a bed frame from IKEA. Honestly, above the bed frame even is a mattress, so I'm gonna buy one from Sam's Club that basically is rolled up in a box and it just arrives like that. And I've heard it's rated really well, so I hope that it's nice. For the first night of sleep, I basically need like pillows, a mattress, a sheet set, and a duvet. And then once I arrive, my mom and I are going to go on a Target run and pick up essentials like soap and shampoo and conditioner, detergent probably, so that we can do like a load of laundry. Oh, and I need to get towels too. That's already in my cart. So there's a couple of things that I need to arrive before me just so that I'm not scrambling once I get there. And so those are basically, you know, everything that's required for like sleeping and showering. And I'm gonna pack, you know, travel size soap and shampoo and conditioner just in case we can't do a Target run. Hey everyone, so it is now T-minus 8 days until the move. I think I've done a pretty good job so far. I have packed up one big suitcase, which I'll insert a clip of now, and it's got basically everything that I need, like essential clothes, and then I'm going to pack another large suitcase, and then I'm just gonna check those two, and I think I won't need a carry-on bag, but we'll see. I definitely need to bring a backpack because I really want to bring my ukulele along with me because I'm not going to have my sewing machine. Another exciting thing is that I did get the IKEA bed frame that I wanted. It kept saying it was out of stock, so I kept checking it every single day, and then eventually it came back in stock, so I pre-ordered it to my place, which is very exciting. I also forgot to mention that I went ahead and paid the security deposit plus the first month of rent, so that was one of the things that was on my to-do list. And then I also bought renter's insurance, another expense, and then a couple things I still need to do is that I need to buy a router or a modem. Do people say router or router? Anyways, I need to do that, and I need to set up Wi-Fi. I was trying to figure out which one was cheaper because there are two providers, and I thought that one would be cheaper, but then there's actually a huge installation fee, and then the other one's already hooked up. So anyways, I don't know, Wi-Fi is expensive. I can't believe how expensive it is. So I need to do that, and I also need to order a few things to my place that I was talking about before, like the mattress and stuff like that, but I need to time it right because I don't want it getting there like too early, and obviously not too late because, you know, my mom and I need to sleep on a mattress on the first night. Setting up the Wi-Fi is a big thing, so I need to get on that. Last night I did some packing of the bookshelves up here. So Kaylee and her boyfriend are going to move the truck out about a month after I move out. So I basically have to pack up my entire room before I leave so that they don't have to pack it all up for me. So I've been in the midst of doing that. Also, today is now T-minus 7 days from the move. So a week from now, we'll be driving to the airport, and then we'll be getting on a plane and heading to Colorado, which is super exciting and very scary because it's all happening really fast. Today's also my last day of work, which is kind of bittersweet because obviously I really enjoyed working with all the people there, and you know, I've learned a lot and it's been a really good experience, but I'm also really excited for the next chapter, so it'll be a good change. Also, Kaylee made me this super cute sign for my last day. How cute is that? She put on my computer, so when I came in, it was on there. So cute. Also, this is the current state of my room. It is a mess kind of now. We're getting into the thick of packing, so this is my one big suitcase. There's still about 10 pounds last time I checked. I have this little scale here. I think it's actually for food. And it basically, you can like hook it onto your suitcase and then pick it up and weigh it, so you know, because there's a 50-pound limit for the suitcase. So I think I still have about 10 pounds left, and then here's a box of books that I've already all packed up. And then yeah, I have a couple more small boxes over here that I need to fill. So yeah, very chaotic right now. I'm gonna try and clean a little bit so that I can reduce the chaos by a bit. I have wanted one of these prints for the longest time. So this is from the Anne of Green Gables official website. And I also love this one. It's just so beautiful and I've wanted it for a long time. So I'm gonna get these both shipped to my place and I'm super excited to put them up. Is basically emptied out. I need to pack all these hangers, but I have quite a bit still left to do. There's so much stuff that just can't, it needs to like go inside of a container to go inside of a box, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with a bunch of that stuff. Maybe I'll just put it into one of these baskets. I don't know, but there's no lid for these. I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. Anyways, messy. And then here's my second suitcase, which I've started packing. So I have just like 5 hangers because I realized there's some stuff that I have to hang up. And then I have my Google Home in there, and then I have my IKEA lights and some clothes. I took out one big box of clothes, and then this one I'm still packing. There's that one, and then there's another one way back there. So yeah, super messy, but I think we're making progress, and all of the bookshelves are basically empty. These are ones that I'm leaving here because these aren't actually mine. Yeah, it's all happening. Hey everyone, it is now Thursday and I've just been packing all day. I think the last time I checked in was on Monday, and every day has just been a little bit more packing. All of my closet is essentially packed up now. I put it in a big box, and I also put a trash bag around it just in case on the inside, just in case like there's leaks or something, or it's raining when, you know, Kaylee's moving, all that different stuff. And now I just really want to get some of this stuff off the floor. I did a little pan shot of what it looks like right now, and it's really messy on the floor. I also have a bunch of stuff in the basement I need to pack up, like a lot of my sewing stuff, like my sewing machine I need to find the box for and then put it in and package it all of my fabrics and things like that. Yeah, just like a lot of stuff still to do. I am really excited. I'm getting very excited because it's happening so soon, and it'll be really nice because I'm going from this place, like, you know, Kaylee's driving us to the airport, and then we'll get on the planes and all that stuff, and then when we get to, you know, Colorado, it's basically just like moving right into my place versus staying at a hotel, or, you know, it's just kind of nice because we'll just be going door to door, and I'm just really excited to see the place because I haven't seen it yet. Kaylee's boyfriend went and saw it for me, which was super nice. Still more packing to do first though. I want to try and make a lot of progress today and tomorrow so that the weekend I can kind of chill. I know it'll still probably be stressful with like last minute planning and things like that, Also, I don't know if y'all have heard of, well, I feel like most people have, but of like TMG podcast. I was listening to their music the other day, which is kind of like, I don't know what the category is, like comedy music or something like that. And I was listening to Short King's Anthem, which was cracking me up so much. Like I couldn't stop laughing as I was watching the video too. And then I also listened to Sophia, and I was like, they both really slap. Like they're both really great songs. They're really incredible, and the music videos are great. So yeah, I just have like unironically been listening to them. So if you guys haven't heard those songs,